Welcome to this video, Speech and Audio Processing in NLP. In this video, we explore how natural language processing extends beyond text to handle spoken language and audio data. Speech processing combines linguistics, signal processing, and machine learning to transform audio signals into meaningful, analyzable text and vice versa. The importance of speech and audio in NLP. Why is speech processing so important? Think about the way we communicate daily. Most of it happens through spoken language. Technologies like virtual assistants, voice search, and automatic transcription tools have made audio processing a core part of modern NLP. Speech-based systems are empowering humans to interact with machines more naturally and seamlessly than ever before. Understanding speech signals. At the heart of speech processing is the audio signal. Unlike text, speech data is continuous and highly dynamic. It contains variations in pitch, tone, accent, and background noise. Processing these signals involves breaking the audio into smaller chunks, analyzing frequencies, and converting it into a format computers can understand. The process of speech recognition. One of the fundamental applications of audio processing in NLP is automatic speech recognition, or ASR. ASR converts spoken language into written text. The process begins with capturing the audio signal, followed by feature extraction. Techniques like Mel frequency cepstral coefficients, MFCCs, are used to identify unique properties of speech. Finally, machine learning models, often powered by deep learning, map these features to words and phrases. Technologies behind speech recognition. Modern ASR systems are built on powerful technologies like hidden Markov models, HUMs, and deep learning-based recurrent neural networks, RNNs. More recently, models like transformer-based architectures and systems such as WaveNet have set new benchmarks for accuracy. These systems can handle variations in accents, multiple speakers, and background noise, making speech recognition more robust and reliable. Text-to-speech (TTS) systems. While ASR converts speech to text, text-to-speech, or TTS systems do the opposite. They generate human-like speech from written text. This involves converting text into phonemes, basic units of sound, and synthesizing natural speech using techniques like concatenative synthesis or advanced deep learning methods like tachotron and waveglow. TTS systems are widely used in applications such as voice assistants, audiobooks, and accessibility tools. Challenges in speech and audio processing. Despite advancements, speech and audio processing face significant challenges. Accents, dialects, and languages add complexity to ASR and TTS systems. Background noise and unclear pronunciations can degrade accuracy. Moreover, ensuring ethical considerations, like privacy when processing voice data, remains a critical concern.